This video is for everybody who's looking for something called as closure. A lot of times in our life, that is one thing that we do not get. If somebody walks away from our life without saying anything, if people decide that they don't want to be with us and they just decide to ghost, or if somebody that you've dated or been with or married to for a very long time just suddenly decides that, listen, it's not working, I am out. Closure, as fancy as the internet shows you, it's something that not a lot of us really get. And one of the bigger reasons for that is because people are also not sure as to how to give closure or what to say or what to do. This video is to help everybody who's going through something like this. And this video is to tell you how to get out of it, what can you do, what can make things better, just a tiny little bit better for you, and how can you get back to your life. See, जब relationship start होता है ना, तो वो दो जनों की एक boat होती है. It's a boat, it's a ship, it's a cruise, whatever you decide, whichever level you were at, right? However, you need those two people for it to work. जब आप काफ़ी टाइम साथ रह लेते हो तो हमें लगता है कि हमें शायद बोट पे मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली द वे सी की हमेशा वेव्स आती हैं, जैसे ओशन में बार बार वेव्स होती हैं, वैसे ही रिलेशनशिप को भी काफ़ी चीज़ें रैक करती हैं, काफ़ी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स लाती हैं. और इन्हीं रीजंस में कहीं ना कहीं वी स्टॉप ट्राइंग टू बी विद ईच अदर, वी स्टॉप ट्राइंग टू वर्क फॉर ईच अदर, एंड वी जस्ट डिसाइड कि ठीक है, जैसे मेरी लाइफ चल रही है, जो चल रहा है, जैसे चल रहा है, मैं बस उतना करूँगी या उतना करूँगा. Suddenly you start seeing a life where this person is not with you, or you start seeing कि यार this person is not giving me what I want. हम सबको कहीं ना कहीं रिलेशनशिप में ये चीज़ें महसूस ज़रूर होती हैं, बट हम इतने क्यूट होते हैं प्यार में कि हम इसको इग्नोर कर देते हैं. हमें लगता है कि यार दिस पर्सन इज़ माइन, आई लाइक दिस पर्सन लाइक्स मी, वी कैन फाइट द वर्ल्ड. बट वॉट यू फॉरगेट इज दिस पर्सन इज़ नॉट योर आइडेंटिटी. This person was never supposed to be the only anchor in your life. This person was just supposed to be a part of it. A very big part, I'm sure, but just a part. What happens in relationship is हम ना दो अलग अलग identities को एक कर देते हैं. So my existence without my partner seems difficult. My way and my methods of doing things on my own suddenly feels difficult. But इन सबसे ज़्यादा एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ जो हम करते हैं, इट इज़ कॉल्ड सेल्फ ब्लेम. अगर आज मुझे कोई छोड़ के जाता है, दैट मीन्स मेरे में कुछ बुरा होगा, तभी तो वो इंसान मुझे छोड़ के गया है, वरना ऐसे तो कोई नहीं चाहता ना. हम बॉलीवुड जनरेशन है, बॉलीवुड के बच्चे हैं, हम सबको तो प्यार बिल्कुल ही ग्रैंड जेस्चर्स में दिखाई देता है. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ लव इज़ समथिंग दैट शुड ऑलवेज बी चेक्ड. जहाँ पे कंसिस्टेंसी का इशू आता है, वहाँ पे प्यार थोड़ा थोड़ा कम होने लग जाता है. आपने बहुत सारे कपल्स देखे होंगे जो इकट्ठे पिछले 70 साल से हैं, या पिछले 40 साल से हैं, या पिछले 30 साल से हैं. उनमें से आपने बहुत कम ऐसे कपल्स देखे होंगे जो आज भी उसी तरह एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं जितना वो पहले करते थे. यूजुअली 90% ऑफ इंडियन फैमिलीज आर लिविंग एज हाउसमेट्स. एंड आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अबाउट इंडियन फैमिलीज. आई थिंक 90% ऑफ रिलेशनशिप्स ऑफ मैरिजेस is just become housemates. You're lucky if you have parents who are still in love. You're very lucky with that. What you need to understand is जब तुम क्लोजर का वेट कर रहे हो ना, क्लोजर आगे वाला इंसान तुम्हें कभी नहीं देगा. क्लोजर तुम्हें अपने आप ढूंढना पड़ेगा. क्लोजर में एक एग्जिट स्ट्रैटेजी तुम्हें अपने लिए बनानी पड़ेगी कि यार मैंने इतना एफर्ट किया, मैंने इतनी चीज़ें करी, बट दिस पर्सन इज़ प्रॉब्ली नॉट रिस्पेक्टिंग दैट. This person is probably not understanding my efforts. And if this person is not understanding, not willing, not wanting to work on it, I can't do anything about it. I will have to give up after a point of time. But हम लोग थोड़े ढीठ होते हैं, तो ये वाला स्टेज हमारा इतना जल्दी आता नहीं है. We take a lot of time to get there. पहले हम बार्गेन करते हैं कि यार कोई बात नहीं, अभी गए, 2 दिन बाद आ जाएगा, लड़ाई सॉल्व हो जाएगी. 2 दिन बाद लड़ाई सॉल्व नहीं होती है, फिर हम कहते हैं कि कोई बात नहीं, let's just have some space. After that, it'll get better. Any which way, this is my person, this person will not go anywhere. But slowly and steadily, the reality hits you. In my experience, the timeline where you realize that you are the person who will give yourself closure is easily a month or more. एक महीने से पहले वो realization आती ही नहीं है. So no matter how much you try to fast track it, it doesn't. It's emotions. We as individuals, we get addicted to people as well. राइट? अगर आप किसी से कॉन्स्टेंटली हर रोज़ बात कर रहे हो, उनके साथ रह रहे हो, उनके साथ सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, तो आपको उनकी आदत भी तो होती है। और अभी जो सिम्टम्स आपको आते हैं वो एक प्रॉपर विड्रॉल के सिम्टम्स होते हैं। जैसे हमें किसी सब्सटेंस की आदत होती है, जब हमें नशे की आदत होती है और कोई हमसे वो नशा ले जाए, तो हमारी बॉडी रिएक्ट अलग तरीके से करती है, राइट? This is the same exact thing. Your body is also used to this person being around you. So let's talk about what can you do to give yourself closure. Number one, understand what you were in the relationship versus what you are out of it. Number two, work on where do you want to go from here. Does your life stop here? No. Is this the end of the world? We don't know. But we just know for a fact that if you're willing enough, you can change everything around. And for that, you just need to put 10% more effort than what you're putting right now. Just 10%. I'm not asking for 100% here. I know if you consistently put 10% every single day, you will be at a different stage by the end of 2 more months. So I want you to understand what is your life after this. Where do you see yourself? What are the things that you wish to do? What are the things that you wanted to do but you forgot about them, or you were not planning to do them anytime soon? What were your wishes? Write them down. Just completely write them down. And then put actions around it, that okay, what do I need to do this? It can be as simple as that, you know what, I want to go for swimming. My action would just be, I need to join a swimming class. That's it, right? Or somebody had written this very funny thing, that I want to go to a club and party without my partner because the partner never allowed. So now that the partner is not there, they just wanted to go to a club and enjoy a party. That's it. It's a very simple thing to do, right? So start making that list, start building something, because this is your closure in next 2 months. This is what will bring you what you can be without a person who was hovering over you for the longest period of time. There are 2 more things that I want you to do. One, write a letter to this version of you, the one that is right now currently, who's going through so much heartbreak. Just write a letter from this version saying what you wish to be, okay? And the last thing that I want you to do is forgive the person who went away from your life without contacting them. See, no contact is something that we all should do if you're looking for closure, because when you're not in touch with this person, it takes away everything about them from your brain and it gives you a direction to think clearly. So no contact is important, but to forgive without contacting them is extremely important, because you don't have to say that, listen, I know what you did and I forgive you. They're not asking for it. They're not apologizing. They're not saying anything to you. They're not even talking to you. Please remember all of these things and just let them be. Just find that strength, that courage in your heart to say that, listen, whatever you did was shit. And I'm not going to text. I'm not going to talk. I'm not going to say anything, but I still forgive you. And you do all of this without letting them know. Forgiving doesn't mean that you're forgetting everything that they've done. Forgiving doesn't mean that you're going back to them. Forgetting doesn't mean that your hurt is over. No, it just means that you have space that can help you heal. When you have done these 3 things, I can guarantee you the closure that you wanted, it's there. Be the person who gives it. Be the savior of your life. Be the hero of your life. Be the person that you are proud of, because nobody else is going to fight your battle. And as soon as you realize that truth about the world, everything else starts solving itself. I post content like this every week, so make sure you subscribe, you like, put in the comment down that what is this version that we are going to look at after 2 months, and let's see you build that. I've got you.